My kid named his baby turtle Steve. He just cracked open his shell. He's ready to face the real world. It is not easy. I don't expect it to be. He may live up to 100 or maybe perish after riding his first wave. They face many challenges once they emerge from the sand en masse. Debris, crabs, birds, raccoons, dolphins, fishes, sharks, and the worst of all, us, humans. I am sorry, Steve. My fellow humans are creatures of destructive habits, but some of us do try to make amends. But that's how it is. It may be sad, but one life has a purpose to another. Steve, if you ever make it, may you be an inspiration to humans. You are an embodiment of a long shot. You are the exception, not the rule. A jackpot. You are in a very real sense, a miracle. Good luck, Steve. Hopefully, we cross paths again.